Hello everybody, this video is about searching for videos on Edpuzzle. So I'm on my Edpuzzle, essentially my home page. Here is my photo, my classes which are listed here, my gradebook which has nothing in it, and content. And if I click on the Edpuzzle logo here in the upper left hand corner, this is my default page. It says home and it's my content page. So there's a number of ways. First of all, you can simply search in the content bar. For example, if I wanted to do, let's talk about maths. Just simply put in a maths from Edpuzzle, and it gives me videos associated with Edpuzzle. And you can, this is very general. It tells you how many questions are linked in each one. And it gives you the places where the videos come from as you scroll down from YouTube. And you can see more. You can click more and it'll give you all of the videos that are loaded on YouTube under the simple search maths. Now when you're searching, you can search in a number of places. You can search from your home and it tells us what's trending in Ciudad de Mexico, trending in Mexico, for example. You can search by curriculum. I showed this in a previous video. They have videos curated already by grade level, and then in a high school setting by subject area. If we did that again in curriculum, we could do middle school because we are also middle school teachers at Lancaster. You could go to your content, things that you've already added. Right? These are videos that I've already added. One is about Malinowski, a social father, really considered the founders of social and cultural anthropology. Some videos that I've been looking at for my classes. You could look at what people at Lancaster have been doing, and these are all mine. It doesn't look like anyone else is working there. Or you can search by channel. The Edpuzzle channel, the YouTube channel, the Khan Academy channel, National Geographic, TED Talks, Veritasium, Numberphile, and Crash Course. If you are looking in the Crash Course and you search in their search bar, I can put theory of history, for example, as my search. And while it isn't perfect, it gives me titles that have theory, and I come up with natural law theory, Aristotle history, conflict theory, history of life, history of science, all different social learning theory. There's a lot to browse. And then you'll see if you were to click on one, it will tell you how many, for example, if I choose the Big Bang Theory, this video doesn't have any questions in it. Okay, it's from YouTube, it's about cosmology, but you can see this video, the original video, is listed here, and then all of the people that have taken the video and added questions to it. And when you want to copy a video and make it your own so that you can analyze it, I copy it, and when I go back to my content, you'll see that now that video has become quote-unquote mine, and it's not, I could copy from the other people with their questions embedded in it already, or I can make my own. So if I go to the video here and I want to edit it, then I can add my own questions to the video as I go along. That's how we search for videos, copy them, make them part of our own content, and then we can add our own questions.